Hi, I'm Dr. Arlene Simon. I am a biomedical engineer and a children's book author. As a biomedical engineer, I help healthcare companies design the next generation of medical imaging equipment, like ultrasounds, CAT scans, and MRIs. The goal is to help doctors see inside our bodies better. I like to remind myself that I should be kind to myself. I think sometimes women in particular, we suffer from imposter syndrome, where we sometimes feel like we're not smart enough. But I like to remind myself that it's a journey, and the journey of engineering is more of a marathon and not a sprint. Sometimes when you're watching television or movies, for instance, the superhero saves the day in an hour and a half or 2 hours. But the time scale for life is a lot different. It's more in the order of years than hours. And so maybe what's an hour and a half on the TV screen is more like 5 to 10 years in real life. And so reminding myself that, don't compare myself to the experts, but instead compare who I am today with who I was yesterday. And if I learned something new today that I didn't learn yesterday, then that's a win. So I choose progress over perfection and growth and grit over giving up. And that's what I like to tell myself.